Hey everyone, welcome to this video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to take your standard tattoo coil machine and converting it into a machine which accepts cartridges. Now by doing this, it's going to save you loads of time with your setup because you can just literally switch between cartridges for whatever needle size that you need. And at the end of this video, I'm going to be doing a demonstration, just pulling a few lines on some practice skin just to show you it all working. Now if you do like this video guys, please, it means a lot to me, just hit the like button, drop your comments in the box below, let me know what you think of it. With all that said guys, let's not waste any more time and get straight into it. Okay guys, obviously we start with our tattoo machine. Then next up we've got these things. These are called tattoo needle plungers. This particular brand is by Sabre. Come in 4 different sizes for £3.25. And you can see it's not too dissimilar to a regular tattoo needle, obviously without the actual needle at the bottom of the needle bar there. It's got the plunger on it, you can see there. And it doesn't matter which way round these attach to the armature bar, which is different to a standard needle. Next we've got our grommet, tattoo cartridge, and finally our cartridge tubes. Again, these are by Sabre. I'm not endorsed by Sabre or anything, these are just the ones that I happen to buy from my tattoo supply website. These cost £16.99 for a box of 15. So I'm going to show you now what this actually looks like. The back of it, it's a little bit different to a standard disposable grip because you see it says 30mm there, that's just the size of the actual grip. And it obviously won't give sizes for needles that it's going to accept, unlike a standard grip. You see there it says 7, that's obviously going to take a 7 round liner, but obviously with these they can take any cartridge, so it's just going to give you the size of the grip. I'm going to take a quick look at that. Nice chunky grip. Okay, so really easy this guys. First thing we do is take a tattoo needle plunger. I'm going to attach the grommet to it like we would when we're setting up normally with a standard needle. Just quickly show you inside the grip there. These are really cool, these grips. And then we've dropped the tattoo plunger into the grip there. We're just going to finger tight it up just to hold it in place. And you can see the plunger sticking out the bottom there, but that doesn't matter because we're going to lift it. Just to attach it to the armature bar again like you would with a standard needle. I'm going to loosen that grip a little bit now just to bring it down a bit. And that's pretty much that set up. And then we're just going to literally click our tattoo cartridge into the bottom of this grip, and then we're going to set our depth by loosening the clamp like that, and then we're just going to move the grip up and down until we've got the correct depth. And once we've done that, just a quick tighten up, check everything is flush, it's all to the front. If it's not, you can loosen the clamp like that just to turn it around a little bit more so it's all nice and flush. And that's it guys, that is literally all it takes to convert it. I just love the shape of these grips, the size of these grips, really comfortable in the hand there. And you can see now that's set up, it's as quick as this to change between the needles. It literally, you know, if you're swapping between, I don't know, different size liner, just click that out, click your new one in. And it just saves so much time doing it like this, like switching to cartridges. So I'm going to show you it rigged up now. This is an RCA cable I've got on this machine. If you don't know how to do that, I'll stick a card up on the screen. Unlike a standard setup as well, there's no need for an elastic band with this type of setup. So that's it all running. Sweet as a nut. Just testing the bog there. If you don't know what I mean about the bog, I'll stick a card up on the screen. You can watch that video after this one, it'll explain everything about how to set the bog. You can see there I'm just changing the cartridges again just so you can see just how quick and easy it is to switch between. So we're just gonna, I had some practice pads here, so I'm just gonna drag this out and I'm literally just gonna pull a couple of lines, nothing special guys, no big designs or anything. I just want to show you basically the machine tattooing with the cartridge on. And this machine is just really packing that punch. There's no splutters, you know, of ink going over the practice pad there. You know, the work area is super clean. It's just putting that ink in nice and solid, nice and bold. And it's just so much fun using cartridges. just for the easy use of it as well. You know, I like the fact that you can just switch between any size configuration you like. Nice and simple, loads of fun to be had. Let me know if any of you guys try this, and let me know how you get on with it. And that's all there is to it, guys. Simple as that. If you did like this video, guys, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you already have subscribed, make sure that you click the notification bell and you can stay up to date with all my latest uploads. With all that said, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.